In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a reminder in your iPhone. So you can do this two ways. You can do it by Siri, or you could just do it by going to the Reminders app and just doing it manually. So that's what I'm going to show you here. So what you want to do is scroll over to find your reminders, and I'm just going to click that. And I have some reminders for myself here, but what you want to do is just hit new reminder. So I'm just going to type in make dinner, and what you can do is look over to the right where you see the I and the circle. That's the information. Those are the actual details of your own reminder, and what you can do is set the date. You could set the time, so I'm going to set the time for 6 p.m. and you can really kind of specify what you want your reminder to do as far as notification sounds. You can add locations to it, early reminders, anything you really want, but it's pretty basic. It's very easy to use, and you can just hit done, and then it ends up showing up on your reminders. You can also make certain reminders for different times on different days here. So I'm just going to redo the same one. I'm going to hit the information, and I'll change the date to, I guess, Friday, and we'll do 9 a.m., something really quick and easy, and I'll hit done. And that's really quick, and that's how you would go about making reminders on your iPhone. I hope this helps. Try and keep it simple, and we'll see you guys in the next video.